Good evening, everyone. My name is Apollo Claire Sandra from Victoria University, a student in year 2, trimester 1, and doing BIT. I'm here to show you how to terminate a crossover cable and a straight through cable. Before I start, you need to know that the straight through cable is used to connect different devices. For example, if you're connecting a laptop to a switch or a laptop to your router, you would use the straight through cable. And if you're connecting devices that are similar, you would use the crossover cable. For example, the laptop to a laptop. So I'll start with the straight through cable. First, I have my crimping tool. I have a cutter and my Cat 6 cable. So I'll start by removing the outer cover of the cable. And I'll straighten these cables out. And I'll cut this middle sheath out, the hard middle sheath. So I'll start with assembling the color codes. Start with the orange white. Followed by orange. Orange white followed by orange. Followed by the green white. Have to make sure they're straight. Followed by blue. Blue and the blue white. And the green. Brown white. And lastly brown. This order. So make sure they're straight, and then you cut off, level them. Yes, have this. So I get my RJ45 and fix them in. After, you get the crimping tool and crimp. I'll do the same for the second side of line so that I do not use a lot of time in the recording. Now I'm going to show you how to connect terminator or crossover cable I start by removing the outer cover. And then I straighten this out. And then I'll cut this middle sheath off, as it is hard and not needed. So when terminating the crossover, you start with a green white followed by green white. You start with a green white followed by green, then the orange white followed by orange white, and then the blue, and then followed by the blue white, followed by blue white, then orange, brown white, and lastly brown. So you make sure that these are in a straight line and straight, not just straight line. So you cut this. Remain with these. Get your RJ45. And then use your crimping tool. I'll do the same for this side, but off video because I don't want the video to be so long. Thank you for listening.